All right, want to capture that brilliant idea before it slips away? Voice notes on your Android is what you need. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Let me show you how to record voice notes on your Android. First, you're going to need to locate the voice recorder app. It usually lives in your app drawer. If you can't find it right away, try searching for voice recorder or sound recorder using your phone's search bar. Now, if it's not pre-installed, don't worry, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Now, once you've opened the voice recorder app, tap the red record button at the bottom of your screen to start recording. When you're done recording, tap the stop button. Name your recording if prompted, then tap save. You'll automatically be taken to your saved recordings. To listen to your recording, tap on it in the list of saved recordings and press the play button. Now, if you want to send this recording to someone else, you click the file that you just created, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, select the share icon and choose your preferred method of sending, such as messages, email, or Google Drive. Now, you are all set up to capture those fleeting ideas with ease using just your Android phone. More smart tips like this at cyberguy.com. Get my newsletter for free by opening a browser, type in cyberguy.com, then click the little red button.